Okay, so let me just show you how I created this set and took some amazing maternity shoot. I'm sure you're gonna like it. Let's go. Okay, so we just had this share material that we had put on our backdrop stand, and we had two amazing assistants, Kunle and Solomon, who really did a great job. So we angled it to 45 degrees and put a fan behind so it can actually blow it, and then we put in a big modifier, a 7-foot modifier, so that will cast the light softly into the set. And then we had 1 or 2 props that we had to put in because we wanted it to look like a bedroom. And so we set up a bed, and then we had that beautiful frame which I wanted to manipulate an image into it, and that was it. And then we had our superstar that we shot, and our amazing makeup artist and stylist, Otis Makeup Artistry. I'm going to put her link on our YouTube page down below. So we did a couple of test shoot, and we really loved the images. It came out very lovely. So just keep watching and comment if you like anything there, or you think I would have done something better. Just put down a comment and we'll really appreciate it. Thank you.